So for today's lesson, this is nothing new that you guys don't already know. It's just like one notch more complicated. Instead of doing 3 numbers by 2 numbers, we're going to do 4 numbers times 2 numbers. So I'm going to do the first maybe 3 with us. Okay, we're going to go really slow so that you can understand it, and then you can watch this multiple times if you need more help. Let's do number 1. It's 1,560 times 27. What am I going to do first? Peter.
7 times 0.
Okay, I want to multiply the 7 times everything on the top. I'm going to start with 7 times 0 is?
0.
Now I'm going to move this way. 7 times 6 is? 42. What do I write down here?
2.
And what do I carry?
Carry 4.
What's next?
7 times 5.
Which is? 35. And then what do I do with this?
Plus it.
So 35 plus 4 is?
39.
I write it. Write the 9. Carry my 3. Now I'm going to do 7 times 1 is?
7.
Plus 3.
10.
So I write 10 down here. See how I'm keeping everything nice and in line? That's pretty important. Now what am I going to do? Erase these because I don't need those anymore. What am I going to do now, Peter?
2 times 0.
I'm going to multiply this 2 times all my numbers at the top. Okay? 2 times 0, Peter said. Where am I going to write my answer?
Under the 2.
Yeah, since I'm multiplying by the 2, I'm going to write my answer under the 2. 2 times 0 is 0. What next? 2 times?
6.
Which is 12. Write the 2. Carry the 1. Then what? 2
2
times?
5.
Which is 10. Plus my 1. Write the 1. Carry the 1. Then 2 times what?
1.
2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is?
3.
Now what?
Put 0 in the missing area.
Yes, put zeros in all my missing spaces. And then what?
As.
0 plus 0?
0.
2 plus 0?
2.
9 plus 2?
11.
Write the 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1?
2.
3 plus 1?
4.
So there's my answer. That's not really much more complicated, is it? Not at all. Let's just do one more, and then I'll give you guys, that way you'll have plenty of time to work.
What answer is that to?
It's right here, 42,120. Now, on all the rest of the problems, on 1 and 2, you don't have to show your work. But on all the rest of them, I want to make sure that I better make sure I see some work, either on the back or on a separate sheet of paper. Okay? It's good for you to write down the work so that you have it to look at later, but since this will be on the website, it's okay, since we're doing it together. Yes?
What if you forget to bring your paper, but you wrote all the stuff?
Don't forget to bring your paper. Write it on the back or write it on a piece of paper and staple it to it right away because I don't want you to forget that. All right, let's do number 2.